Hi, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do how to make columns in Word. So we can start our video. So go to index tab. Then you can see here arrow. So you can take your own how much column you need, that much you can take. Now I am taking 6 columns and 6 row I take. So this much only I needed. Now we can make it big. Okay, now it is done. We can go to table tools, design, and go this arrow, and you can see so many designs. I'm taking the red one. This one I'm taking. This one also, so many are there. Now we can write anything like max English, like that you can write. You can make like a school timetable, like that you can make. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon for new videos.